Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be taking my attempt at styling my own hair, and I'm nervous, so I had to get me a key lime pie out the refrigerator. I think I'll put it in the camera. Today I'm styling my hair, and the reason why is because I am no cosmetologist. I'm not. And I'm not really too crazy about trying to do my own hair. I've never really succeeded at it. I guess a little background would be, aside from the fact that I'm not a cosmetologist, I have nosy. But yes, to get my hair done, I can't afford it. Plain and simple, I just can't afford it. Financially, I can't afford it. With my time, I can't afford it. Mentally.
So in this little section, of course, I'm just rambling. So excuse me, I'm sorry.
I will say, aside from the not having and not wanting to worry about or whatever, I do believe I should know how to do something with my hair other than put it in two-strand twists. We're gonna take a shot at styling my hair. I don't know how it's gonna go. I really don't. But something that I'm gonna do different that I did not do before is I am going to take my time. And I say I want to take my time because, of course, before when I've tried to do my hair, I've always taken my time. But I've had music in the background. I've literally tried to create an aesthetic for myself where I am, okay, you can't see about to do your hair, creating the vibe and all that. I don't need music. I don't need music. Yeah. I don't know how it's going to go, which is why we have the key lime pie. I'm gonna take my time, follow the instructions. I am gonna link what I ended up following as far as steps below. And I see how, like, in my past videos, I didn't go back and link, so I'm gonna make sure I do the work this week and link those things, the little tips and other little pieces of information that I find. I'm gonna go back and link that below on my other videos. But for today's video, we are gonna be doing a style with me, so come with me and style with me.
So I did, of course, go ahead and wash my hair. And being that I did already wash my hair, it's now time to dry. So for me, I personally hate heat drying my hair. So I just go through, grease my scalp, and split my hair off into parts. Now, sometimes with some of the parts I did split them and then twist those particular parts and then use the rubber band to stretch it out. But either or, between the two of twisting my hair and just wrapping the hair tie around my hair to stretch it out worked perfectly fine. So that's what I did to begin with. And after my hair dried, I did go through and use the straightening brush on my hair to help me with plaiting my hair. It did make it easier for whenever it was time to flat iron my hair. And I would say it helped by, you know, detangling my hair, because I wanted to decrease the amount of heat that I used on my hair. I do prefer to be natural, so getting a relaxer, or just straightening my hair altogether, it's not my preferred choice. But not but choosing to go the route of using less heat was my goal. So here I have the straightening brush, and I'm just gonna plait my hair. Now look, this made me think about the fact that I could possibly learn how to do knotless braids. I could learn how to do knotless braids, because really, whenever you do knotless braids, this is how you start your hair. You start with plaiting your hair, and then you add the hair to it. And I have some other things that I've came across. I'm gonna put it in the description. You tell me what you think, because I think that, no, I read that human hair is actually better whenever it's time to do the natural hairstyles that we choose to do. But that's not the point of this video. But yeah. So I decided to wait a couple days. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, so this is a totally different day. I did go and take out the braids. I could say the plaits, really. I went and took out the plaits, and I am using a heat projector on my hair anytime I'm adding heat to my hair. So I am spraying heat projector on my hair. I did find the oil to be, I guess, more efficient versus the spray, but I did run out of the oil. But and I did not have, well, I didn't originally have the flat iron on a high temperature. So I did see some changes that needed to be made while I was doing my hair. So I will say my hair pattern is a little bit different throughout the hairstyle, but regardless, I did go through with the flat iron to straighten my hair, and I'm just starting section by section because I am going to go through and add the bundles for the quick weave. So I am going to just straighten the bottom part, I guess you could say like the nape area of my hair first with the flat iron, and work my way up. So that is what I'm doing right here. And I did want to add, y'all, I got inches now. Like, I cut my hair off low cut fade type back in last year, 2025 was like, what's it? It had to be like towards the end of January, February, March, April, and at the end of May. Crazy work. Probably at the beginning of May for it. No, it was at the end of May. Y'all, I got inches. Okay. But anyways, I did forget to record the original bundles that I had put in. So here, I did already start, but I am a perfectionist with the part. Like, I love to create a straight part. Now, I haven't had hair in a while, so bear with me. So I have already, like, measured the bundle by lining it up with the part, and I've applied the glue to the lace to go ahead and stick it down. Now, look, mind you, first time doing this, I was nervous. I don't know if I did it right. Let me know if I did it right or if I did it wrong, or what can I do to have a better experience, or be more, what is it, what's the word, you get what I mean. Yeah, let me know.
I got that on camera. I recorded my first time putting the bundle down and didn't even get it on the camera. Y'all need to get mad at
So I will say, I did notice that in this particular area, because of where my hairline was thinning, I realized I didn't want to use too much heat, but I knew that I would have to, just because I didn't want I guess you could say the track or the bundle to show. So I did kind of contemplate what I wanted to do with my hair. I went back and forth with the idea, which is why at the top of my hair, I did choose to go with a different style. I was gonna do leave out, but I didn't want to give my hair any more damage than that was already done, or that has already taken place. So I did decide to go with going ahead and styling the top of my hair a particular way. So here I am figuring out what it is that I'm trying to do, because I really have no idea. But I got the bottom portion good. I, of course, did everything I need to do. I am going to go back through and curl my hair, so that way it's not so unbalanced. And here we are, almost final product. I was analyzing, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to cut it, because it seemed really full further towards the top than at the bottom, and I didn't like that. So I did go ahead and just ask my mom to cut the ends off. And yeah, first time with a quick weave. Let me know what y'all think.